All right, here we go. Just a little update on units A and B. Unit A is complete. Looking really clean here. We got all of the appliances in, electrical, plumbing, flooring. See the washer, dryer, and the bathroom's done. Here's Unit B. This is kind of as we were going through the initial phases there, installing cabinets. We cut the wall out there, and that's looking towards the front door from the kitchen with the bedroom there. Here's the kitchen. The exterior doors had not been installed there. You can see the top of the bar right there. Back to the front door. There's the closet at the end of the hallway that's been plumbed for the washer dryer with the bathroom going in. And the finishing touches there on the bedroom. Here's the final walkthrough on Unit B with the exterior doors in. All the trim's been done. Just getting some of the cleaning done. You can see that we put a bar top in there, and the kitchen turned out really clean for us. We've got the washer dryer installed at the end of the hallway there, and then the rooms have been furnished, and you can see a little desk there in the corner for the college student that's going to rent this place out. So there's the bathroom. Just need a shower curtain. Here's Unit C. This is the 3-bedroom unit. All the windows have gone in. We blew out this wall here that you can see there, and just to give us better access and a better flow to the unit as it goes into the kitchen. All of the plumbing and electrical rough is done. We had to re-brace the ceiling. It was a load-bearing wall, and you can see there's a little door on the left that we're going to close that in so the kitchen is closed off. Here's one of the bedrooms. We've got all the closets reframed with the ceiling repaired. The AC ducting is going in right now. Sewer lines are done. Here's the closet for the washer dryer. You can see the other closet for the bedroom that we just saw in the background, and then we reframed a closet here, and then we're going to put a little desk in the corner just like we did in units A and B. And then the 3rd bedroom there with all of the old air conditioning stuff coming out, and you can see the bathroom's going in as well with the tub as well as the sheetrock. Pretty big project there, pulling all of that ducting out. Let me know if you have any questions.